Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Audi R8 in Car Dealership Tycoon full guide. Start by reaching level 10, purchase a luxury showroom, complete 3 performance events, and accumulate $50,000 in sales to trigger the R8 Unlock questline. Follow on-screen prompts to claim the car. I will walk you through each step with screen tips, timing advice, and bankroll management so you can unlock the R8 quickly and enjoy driving it in your dealership. Prepare by confirming your cash reserves and staff readiness, then prioritize upgrades that improve sales and service speed. Focus on stocking parts and allocating technicians to reduce turnaround times while monitoring customer satisfaction. Track event timers and set alerts so you never miss performance windows and save progress before attempting key challenges. These small preparations increase your chance of clearing the R8 quest quickly and without costly mistakes, keeping gameplay smooth and rewarding. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. On another note, quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for bringing your space to life and setting driving playlists while you manage your dealership. It pairs nicely with gaming and streaming. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals to pick one up. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by initiating the R8 quest right after the showroom purchase, then prioritize the 3 timed performance events to unlock progress checkpoints. Keep customer happiness above 80% through quick repairs and fair pricing so event rewards remain high. Run targeted promotions to spike sales during event windows and rotate high-margin cars to maximize revenue. Follow these steps carefully, and you will steadily complete the chain and earn the Audi R8 for your dealership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.